Cut her off the part. Good. Raise it.
Our students are pretty stressed out. Our students are scared about their futures. They're growing up in a world that is shifting on a daily basis.
Here in District 214, engaging with our business partners and our business leaders, we learned that the school really wasn't being relevant to what they needed to sustain the economic development of this particular community.
When I first came here, it was really a traditional high school. And then we started to really realize that these kids needed to be career ready.
The high school diploma doesn't mean what it used to mean. And the reality is that the cost of higher ed is out of reach for many families.
I didn't really know that much about engineering until I started high school. The Career Pathways program definitely showed me how many different ways and avenues there are into what field I want to go into.
Career Pathways is about ensuring that high school is relevant to students. We're hosting close to 3,000 real-world workplace learning experiences a year. Our students don't necessarily need to take a test in order to get into a specific college class. They're taking those college classes while we're here.
By my sophomore year, I was certified in 3 CNC mills. Most people don't get certified until they get their major in it. I was able to get it in a year, and that was all because my school had a shop where they had over 16 different machines.
It is important to have state-of-the-art facilities because students need to be able to see what is possible. Implementing each career pathway is a unique experience. We partnered with companies in order to ensure that we are meeting the needs of those employers that are here.
It has to be done in partnership between school districts, community colleges, employers, community members, parents, and most especially it has to be done in partnership with students.
I'm excited to be involved in the internship program with 214. I love the opportunity to expose young people to the career in manufacturing. And in some cases, they actually like the career here and have stayed with us.
Working with industry and bringing them into the classroom has been the key to our success in this district. It has opened our eyes up to how we should be organizing and delivering our programs, what certifications, what industry standards we should be addressing. Ultimately, what we as a community, what we as a society really have to be concerned about is the success of our students.
My message to other educational leaders is to start with the question of, is my school relevant in my community? Is it relevant to each of my individual students? Public education and access to high quality schools is key to those students finding their futures, and we need them to leave our schools ready and knowing what it is their next step needs to be. And it's our responsibility to deliver that.